Hi, this is Akash Jain. I work as a business executive at Cosco India Limited. In terms of AiSensy, the goal was, to make broadcasting and reaching out to our consumers much more easier and much more personal. So that's the reason why we got introduced to this tool. And AiSensy has, really helped us in terms of reaching our consumers. Earlier, let's say for give an example, the amount of users which we could reach via broadcasting was somewhere around 30-35%. Now that number has gone up to around 90%. And my favorite functionality of using this tool is definitely the ability to attribute users, and then the ability of even the media to stay in terms of the message, so you don't have to rework again and again. And as per the team at AiSensy, it's a fabulous team, and they are available all the time. Let it be the founder Mohit or Kamlakshi, and just done a very good job, and I wish them just the best in terms of just maintaining this platform which they have developed so nicely.